Hi. Joining a private Telegram channel without a direct invite link is generally not possible because they are designed to be hidden from search, with access requiring specific, often temporary links. However, you can find them by exploring public directories using specific search engines operators, like here, t.me slash add the name. Okay, like let's say egg. It's gonna take you to the egg channel if available, right? And so on. You can replace egg with something else, right? If you remember the name, an invitation link will pop up and you can join the channel, right? Without invite link. So that's the only way actually you can go around that. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. Share with a friend, it will definitely see you in the next one.